Hey everyone! In this video we are going to learn how you can transfer files present in your OneDrive account to Google Drive automatically. This will help you to create a backup in real time without any manual efforts. But the problem and issue here is there is no direct connection between OneDrive and Google Drive. To build a connection, I'm going to use an integration and automation software that is Pabbly Connect, with the help of which we will be able to sync OneDrive with Google Drive so that whenever a new file arrives in OneDrive, it will automatically get uploaded in Google Drive. And the best part of using Pabbly Connect is it doesn't require any kind of coding skills or programming knowledge. Now let's begin with an example. Okay, so this is my OneDrive account and here I have created this resume folder which contains one resume image, and this is my Google Drive account where I have created this candidate resume folder where I want those files to be uploaded. Okay, so I'm just clicking on new tab and here I'm typing pabbly.com. Press enter. Okay, so this is the site of Pabbly. Here you have to click on products, you have to click on connect then. And that's how you will reach to the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here again you have to click on sign in. As I have already created my account, that's why I'm directly signing in. You can also create your free account just in 2 minutes. So click on sign in. This is my account. Here I'm going to click on connect access now. Okay, that's how you will reach to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here you have to create the workflow with the help of this create workflow button. And here you have to name the workflow, that is OneDrive to Google Drive. Wonderful. Now click on create. This is the name of workflow, and before proceeding further, let me just mention that I will add the link of this workflow in the description box. You can clone it and directly access it in your account. So whenever you'll click on create, this window will appear. This window is known as trigger window and this is trigger. You might be thinking what is trigger or what is trigger window. So let me tell you, automation works on the concept of triggers and actions. Trigger says when this happens and action says do this. So in this use case, whenever a new file arrives in OneDrive will be a trigger and upload it to Google Drive automatically will be action. So for this we have to choose that is trigger application and that is OneDrive. Okay. Microsoft OneDrive. Wonderful. And here I have to choose a trigger event, that is new file. Okay. Now firstly we have to connect Microsoft OneDrive with our Pabbly account, and for this we have to click on this connect button. Click on connect with Microsoft OneDrive. Okay, and it will ask for the access, so just click on yes. It is 100% safe to use Pabbly. Okay, so the authorization is successful. Click on OK. That's how we have connected Microsoft OneDrive with Pabbly. Now here we have to set the folder path. For that we have to follow this format, that means / format. Okay, so here I'm just copying it for instance and just pasting over here. Okay, I'm just erasing it. Okay, now I'm just going back to my OneDrive account just to see the path. Okay, so documents, Pabbly and resume is the path. Here I'm going back to Pabbly Connect and just mentioning the path. Okay, so that is Pabbly / resume. Okay, so this is my folder path and here I have to just click on the new event type, that is new file created. Okay, you have to follow these steps for this folder path and just click on save and send test request. Okay, that's how we got the response. We have got this URL. Just keep in mind we will be requiring this in the next step, and this is the name, that is Julia. Resume Julia. Okay, so we are done with it. Okay, now I'm scrolling it. Here I'm just saving it. Okay, now we have successfully connected our Pabbly account to Microsoft OneDrive. Now we are going to connect Pabbly with Google Drive. For that, add an action window with the help of this plus button, and here we have to choose action app as Google Drive. So this is the Google Drive. Okay, here we have to choose an action event, that is upload a file. Okay, here it is, upload a file. Wonderful. Now we have to connect our Pabbly with Google Drive. For that, we have to click on this connect and we have to connect with Google Drive. Okay, here it will ask for the account that you want to connect with Pabbly. So I'm clicking on this account. And here it will ask for the access, so you can trust Pabbly, it is 100% safe, and click on this allow button. Okay, again the authorization is successful. Here we have to type or we have to mention the URL. For that, I'm just mentioning the or mapping the data that is from here. Okay, so URL is done, and here folder ID. This folder ID will be the ID of the folder that you want in which you want to upload your file in Google Drive. So for that, I'm going back to this Google Drive, and here this is my folder, and I'm copying this text, this last text after folder slash, and I'm just copying it. And going back to Pabbly Connect, and here I'm just pasting it in the folder ID section. Okay, so it is done, and I'm just mapping the file name, that is Resume Julia. Okay, so I have done with these details. So I'm just clicking on save and send test request just to check. Okay, so we have got the response again, and this time we have successfully connected Pabbly to Google Drive. Now I'm going back to this Google Drive candidate resume folder just to check whether it got the file or not. Okay, so we have got this file here too. That means from this we have got the file in Google Drive too. That means our connection of two applications with the help of Pabbly is successful. Okay, so here the syncing got successful. Now I'm going back to this resume OneDrive folder. I'm uploading another files. Okay, so I'm uploading this Michael resume. Okay, so here open, and it is uploading. Okay, so it is successfully uploaded. Now I'm going back to candidate resume folder of Google Drive just to check once. Okay, so we have got this resume here too in Google Drive. That means the syncing of OneDrive and Google Drive went successful. Now I'm going back to this Pabbly Connect, and here I'm just clicking on these two steps. Okay, so that's how it went. First of all, we have connected Microsoft OneDrive with Pabbly in this way, and then we have connected Pabbly to Google Drive in this way. That means URL, we have mapped URL, and then we have mentioned the folder ID, then file name, and then save and send test request. Okay, that's how we have connected. Okay, I hope you find it helpful. So thank you for watching, and please like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you so much.